This property, located in Berwick, Scotland, is a beautifully built house. When the architects laid out the footprint of the property some years ago, the principal bedroom suite was then considered perfectly adequate. The master suite comprises the master bedroom, the ensuite bathroom and a small walk-in wardrobe. But aspirations for internal layouts have changed over time. These days, it is expected that this sort of property should have a generously proportioned bathroom and a big walk-in wardrobe. Functionality is now also a key aspect of modern design. So a lot of the time, interior design is about innovation and creativity, but also it's often about problem solving. This area here is very, very narrow, as you see, and these cupboards, which open like that, are clearly awkward and in the way. With this door opening this way and these two doors opening here, it's really quite awkward. So when we start this part of the project, we'll remove these two doors and make one sliding door which slides straight into the wall. So in this section of the house, we're going to change the layout completely. We are going to create a new walk-in wardrobe stroke dressing room. We're going to extend the bathroom and we're going to change the way those rooms are accessed. What is currently the entrance to the existing wardrobes will become the entrance to the new bathroom. The entrance to the bathroom over there, another rather awkward opening door, will be closed off, and the bathroom here will be extended all the way through there into the dressing room. The bathroom is currently too small for a master suite, so that's obviously why we will extend that into where the dressing room currently is. To make such changes, it soon became apparent that a more substantial footprint was needed. So the planning of an extension began. The new building comes across this front elevation and meets the existing building in that corner. Building the new extension enabled us to keep this large master bedroom, and this is where the interior design for the master suite began. Starting with the new white engineered flooring, the feature wallpaper which brings the outside inside, linking the garden with the interior, emphasising the new lighting, the new curtains and blinds, and the new colour scheme which then follows through into the new bathroom and dressing room. You'll remember there used to be two rather awkward opening hinge doors just here which led to the previous dressing room. As we proposed then, we've now exchanged those doors for one sliding door with a black ash surround and a frosted glass insert, which now leads to the new bathroom. The bathroom is not only designed to be aesthetically pleasing, but extremely functional. It has zones where the vanity unit is separated neatly from this ample storage unit, and a slightly sunken bath has its own area, as does the shower unit. By creating such a large, spacious bathroom, we were able to incorporate this very large shower area built in the wet room concept rather than the traditional shower with a shower tray and an enclosure. Although the bathroom has underfloor heating, in addition it has these four attractive chrome radiators which also act as towel warmers and at the same time are an important part of the aesthetic. Each of the radiators are located exactly where most convenient when using the basins, the bath or the walk-in shower. So this is now the way through from the bathroom to the new dressing room, through this matching ash and frosted glass door, and here you start to see that we have incorporated the same colour scheme in the woodwork which follows through the rest of the rooms. There are a number of things which are quite different about this walk-in dressing room. First of all, and quite fundamentally, it's the material that the wardrobes are made from. This grey veneered board is really not something one sees too often, and what we did is to use it in conjunction with our joinery shop so that all these wardrobes are bespoke manufactured to suit both the space and the functionality, even to the extent that we used these hydraulic pull down push up top rail mechanisms, which enables all the clothes stored in the top rails to be reached easily. Because we wanted to use every millimetre of space in this room for storage, we didn't use a full-length fixed mirror. Instead, we used one of these rather ingenious pull-out and swivel mirrors like that. This study also backs onto the master ensuite, and so when we extended that, we were also able to enlarge the study by the area you see behind me. It used to finish just here, but now it's that much bigger and much more interesting space. Unlike the rest of the house, which is very colour coordinated and in muted tones, the study is much more fun, more eclectic, much more colourful. We decided to make it just really that bit different from the rest of the house. If we had to summarise what this project has achieved, firstly and most obviously, I guess we would say modernisation. The area was cramped and quite old-fashioned before we started. Now it's very spacious, it's very modern, it's completely up to date. Just as importantly, the project has made the ensuite totally proportionate to the rest of the house and complementary to the entire building in size and style. Thirdly, there is the aspect of lifestyle. What was a cramped and difficult to use space has become transformed into a relaxing sanctuary. And although we did not set out specifically with the property value as our first concern, the extension and interior design has added considerable value to the property over and above what was spent.